Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm doing tutorial number 6 out of this Irish crochet Japanese book. The pattern that we're following today is this beautiful large piece here and 3D flower piece with squared petals, and this looks something like this in real life. This is quite huge. Let's crack on in making this. We are starting off with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go ahead and slip stitch or single crochet in that first chain space there. Then we're going to do 16 single crochets in this center ring here. So I've got 2 now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I'm going to just go ahead and slip stitch into the first chain space there. After we've slip stitched into the first chain space, we are going to single crochet in the next chain space. Then we're going to chain 3. We're going to single crochet in the next chain space. We're going to again single crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, 2 single crochets in the next 2 chains, chain 3, 2 single crochets in the next 2 chains, chain 3, 2 single crochets in the next 2 chains, chain 3, 2 single crochets in the next 2 chains, chain 3, single crochet, single crochet. We should have 8 spaces like this in total. What we're going to do now is we're going to slip stitch straight into the chain 3 space. We're going to chain 3 and we are going to slip stitch into every chain 3 space after we've chained 3. We're just going to do that all the way around. So chain 3, slip stitch in that chain 3 space, chain 3, slip stitch into that chain 3 space, chain 3, slip stitch into that chain 3 space, chain 3, slip stitch into the chain 3 space, chain 3, slip stitch, chain 3, slip stitch, and that's it. I've reached the end now. We're going to work the last 3 chain spaces that we've added. So I'm going to go right into the first one. I'm going to slip stitch into it, chain 3, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, slip stitch into the same space there. That's our first petal. We're going to work this same pattern all the way around. So I'm going to head on into the next chain 3 space. I'm going to slip stitch first, chain 3, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, slip stitch. That's our second petal. For the third petal, slip stitch into it, chain 3, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, slip stitch into the same base, head on into the next petal space, slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, finish off with a slip stitch, next petal, chain 3, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, slip stitch to finish off the petal, head on over to the next space, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch to finish off the petal, head on into the next chain space, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch to finish off the petal and the last petal, slip stitch into it, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch to finish off the petal, and then I'm just going to slip stitch into the center space here between the 2 petals so that we can go ahead and start our next round. That's the first round of petals complete. To start this next round of petals off, we're going to turn our work around. We're going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to double crochet, we're going to slip stitch or single crochet in between these petal spaces to make almost back posts so we can work petals into these spaces. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go between these 2 petals here, single crochet, chain 5, slip stitch or single crochet in between the petals, chain 5, single crochet or slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet or slip stitch, chain 5, single crochet or slip stitch, single crochet or slip stitch, and the last one. I always like to just slip stitch into the first back post just to even the work out. We're going to turn our work back around now and we're going to start adding petals into these spaces. We are going to slip stitch straight into that first petal space, chain 3, we're going to do 5 double crochet this time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, slip stitch to finish off the petal, and we're going to head on over to the next petal space, slip stitch, chain 3, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, slip stitch, next petal space, slip stitch into it, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoop, I've done an extra one. 5. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the next space, slip stitch, chain 3, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, slip stitch into the next space, chain 3, 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, slip stitch, next petal space, slip stitch, chain 3, 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, slip stitch into the next space, chain 3, 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, slip stitch, and the last petal space, slip stitch into it, chain 3, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, slip stitch. And as always, I'm going to slip stitch in between the 2 petals just to complete that round. This is round 2 of our petals complete. Let's crack on to round 3, and this is the final round. We are going to turn our work around again, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The back post chains, they are going to remain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet or slip stitch between the 2 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet or slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet or slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet or slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet or slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet or slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last post. Oh, there we go. And as always, I'm going to slip stitch into the first space there just to balance the work out. Turn the work back around. Now, slip stitch into the chain, slip stitch into the back post, chain 3. This time we're working 7 triple crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain 3, slip stitch into the base again. Next petal, head on into it, chain 3, 7 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 3, slip stitch into the base to finish off the petal. The next petal, chain 3, 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 3, slip stitch into the next space, chain 3, 7 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 3, slip stitch into the base, next petal space, 7 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 3, slip stitch, next petal space, slip stitch, chain 3, 7 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 3, slip stitch, the next petal space, slip stitch, chain 3, 7 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 3, slip stitch into the base, and let's do the final petal to complete this flower. Chain 3, 7 triple crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 3, slip stitch to finish the petal, and slip stitch into the first petal as always. And that is our flower complete. Beautiful 3D, and this flower looks much different than the previous tutorials that I've made from the book, because with this flower the petals are more squared off, so I think that this is quite a unique piece in itself. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.